Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building your profitable online business. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to brand your job servicing business effortlessly. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to create your own brand in just minutes. I remember a few years back, I was creating my very first dropshipping business and it took me a few days to figure out a brand for myself. Branding is so important. I need to put the brand on all my social media, on Facebook, on Instagram. So I need to think of a catchy name, a name that can remember and can also represent my business. So branding is very important. If you guys are starting out on doing job servicing and have no idea how to create your own brand, then this video is for you, because I'm going to introduce to you a free tool that you can use so that you can have ideas on what brand name to use for your job servicing business. Whenever I need to find inspiration for a brand name for myself or my clients, I will go to namelix.com. This website is a business name generator and it is a free website for you to use. So for example, I want to find a brand name for my video editing service. I will just need to key in the keywords. My service will be video editing. So click generate. Over here you can have a choice of how long the name that you want it to be. For this, I want to choose a medium name because I don't want my brand name to be too short. And you can also choose a name style. So name style, you can choose brandable names, multiple words, even misspellings. So if you want something more interesting name which is easy for people to remember, and create a good impression, then you can try like misspellings. So now I will try real words first, okay, like Apple and Amazon. Click generate. So here you have a library of ideas and it is endless brand names that you can choose. So these names are very simple and yet it will tell you that this brand is related to video editing. So for example, video link, and this is like editing but is with additional T. Video play. So for example, if you're interested to get this name, video link, you can click into it and this website will suggest to you more design ideas that you can use. Like example, they have this video link name and with a logo. So this is a video player logo and they have a lot of different types of logo that you can use. If you want to use, you have to purchase them. You have to purchase. If let's say just the PNG format, you can purchase it at $25. But today we are focusing more on like getting ideas for you. Now let us try another keywords. So let us try social media marketing. And the name length, we will try short names and medium names. For the name style, we will try multiple words. These brand names are related to social media like Stash Social, Online Social, Social Info. So everything you see is, by one glance, you know that this is about social media. So this is something that you might want to consider for your branding if you are in the social media marketing business. Social talent. Let us try another popular service, which is the graphic design. So you key in the keyword over here. And for the name length, we will keep it at short names and medium names. And for the style, we want to try rhyming words. So this rhyming words is more interesting, so your brand will sound a bit more attractive. So as you can see, they have a lot of graphic design related brands like Visual Gen and graphic comic. So all these are something more interesting. And this is a nice name, Visual Pixel. This graphic design, one of the element is the pixel. So the brand name of Visual Pixel, it rhymes and it's also a nice name. If you want to further customize the logo, you can also click on the ideas. So these are all the different color ideas that you can straight away get from this website, and also have font ideas. So for font ideas, they will show you different types of fonts that you can use for the brand. And lastly will be the icon ideas. So icon ideas is also very good to suggest to you what type of icon that you can use for the logo. So you have tons of ideas from this website, and just for these icon ideas alone you can get so many, and it's endless. So this is also another way that you can help your client. If for example you can give them a few of these design ideas, because this one, if you were to purchase, is at least a basic of $25. You can check with the freelancer from Fiverr and see if they can design the same picture, the same logo at a fraction of the price. So this is one good hack for you. How I wish I knew about this free generator when I first started doing online business. It will save me so much of time and effort on figuring out what kind of brand to use for my business. I hope this free tool is helpful for your job servicing business. Remember, this free tool is helpful for your business as well as your client's business. I'm sure that there are clients out there that are startups and they need help in creating their own brand. So as an extra service, you can provide them with different brand name ideas for them, and they will stick to you for the whole branding service. You might probably end up getting more sales from this client alone. And I'm sure that after this video, you are going to explore this website. It is very, very addictive. I've been scrolling and getting so much of brand ideas for my client and also for myself. Go get creative, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.